and welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we're going to make a pop-up heart card just in time for Valentine's Day. We're going to show you how to make this beautiful 3D heart card to send to your very special loved one. So let's get started, shall we? First we're going to create our heart template. Now you can use some already prepared squared paper that you can buy from the shop, or you can create your own like we are going to do. So we're going to take this piece of paper and our ruler and we're going to make the whole page full of squares 1 centimeter wide. Just like this. See what we did here? And once we've done that, we're going to fold our piece of paper in half. Just like this, and create a crease along the middle, like so. Now we're going to create our heart. So we're going to start drawing some very straight lines, a few centimeters apart, to create our heart shape. So just follow me. And it doesn't matter how many times you need to pause, rewind and rewatch to get it just right. Can you see how the heart is taking shape? It's quite symmetrical. Once we finish drawing our lines, we're going to fold just the top part of our heart. Just like this, we're going to create a nice crease along the top of our heart. Now we've got our card. We've chosen pink. You can choose red or purple or blue or yellow, any colours that you like. You could even have a rainbow coloured heart. Now we're going to place our template on top of our pink card, and we're very carefully going to slice through the card with a knife. Now you're going to need your parents' permission and guidance while you do this, because knives are sharp and we don't want anyone to get hurt. So you gently trace along the lines that you've drawn with the knife to cut through the pink card. Just copy what we're doing. Pause and rewind as many times as you like to make sure you're doing it just right. Can you see what we've done here? And then you can just remove your template and see the work that you've done. So now we are very gently going to pop out our pink card. Now we don't want to rip it, so we're going to very gently push out the folds. Be very gentle, try not to rip it. We're just going to make the heart pop out of the pink card in a nice 3D shape. And once we very carefully popped out our heart and made sure that all the little corners are nice and perfect, we're going to make sure that our heart still folds like a card. And once we have successfully folded our 3D card, we are going to glue it to the outside of the card. So we've chosen blue here, but yet again you can choose any colour that you like. You can choose purple or green or blue. And once you've chosen your desired colour of card, we are going to stick our 3D heart on the inside. I'm going to do one side at a time. So very carefully, we are going to position our 3D card inside the blue card. We're going to take our blue stick and we're going to glue all around one side. Very carefully. And very careful not to glue down our 3D part. Lots and lots of glue on here, all over this bag. And then we're going to fold over very carefully, push down, pat down, make sure that it sticks nice and firmly, and then we'll do the same to the other side. So very carefully we're going to put glue all round. Just like this, careful not to glue down our 3D part, but make sure you get all those edges. There we go, lots and lots of glue. And then we'll fold down the card again, like so, very gently. Place it down, pat it down. Make sure it's nice and glued. Make sure all those corners are down. Smooth out any bubbles. Perfect! Now we're going to decorate the outside of our card. So here we have a heart template. And we're just going to trace around the heart like so with a pencil, very lightly. And then we are going to cut out lots and tiny little hearts. Now we have a little heart puncher, but you can cut them out yourself, or you can buy confetti shaped hearts, or you can even draw them on, or get stickers. Be as creative as you like. And we're going to put the hearts all the way around where we have drawn our hearts to create a heart shape. Like so. And then we're going to stick a sparkly purple heart in the middle, but of course you can choose any kind of sparkly heart you like. And then we're going to take our lovely shiny silver pen and we're going to draw a ribbon from the middle of the heart to the top of the page. And draw ourselves a cute little bow at the top. Like so. Just to check our beautiful card is still 3D on the inside. And now we're going to add some more hearts, some multicoloured hearts now. And we're going to glue them inside our pink heart, all around the purple sparkly heart. Like so, just to show our special someone how much we love them. Look at that, your very own beautiful 3D pop-up heart card. Amazing. I can't wait to see yours. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Leo. Leo has drawn us a penguin, and he has made this penguin using small pieces of cut up paper, and it looks fantastic. Congratulations, Leo, you've done a great job. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!